So tell us about this pizza oven.
Okay, so this is Fire Magic. When you hear Fire Magic, see Fire Magic, you're looking at the oldest grill company in the United States. We're looking at 80 plus years they've been in the business. They are an industry leader in a lot of different things. We love selling the product here. City of Industry, again, great American-made product. They're very innovative and very forward on what they bring out as far as qualities of what they sell. So going to the oven itself, this is not only a pizza oven, but it is an outdoor oven. Dimensional, meaning that the thermostat's built in, it's automated. So whereas Alpha, you have a high and low, this has a thermostat, so if I wanted to bake cookies for the kids and have ice cream out there, I can bake cookies in here. It's a full oven. This oven does get up to the high spectrum though. It gets very, very hot. There's a rack in there to plate cookies. I can take the rack out and do a full stone pizza. It's ease of use, gas driven, for the person that does not have to want to tend to wood, is what it is.
Gotcha.
This one is a built-in.
This one is a built-in. They make a cart model.
Okay, that's
This is the most popular for built-in. It has their key mark lock-in tooth handle. The rack can be taken out, interior lighting, so you can see what's actually going on. One thing that they've known really well, as we've known as designers and then salespeople, is that we can't really predict what Mother Nature brings us as far as wind. Well, this company has done that. They've got an actual, their canopy top in there. If I had a back wind blowing in behind this oven, I can tilt this block in here and keep this from pushing heat back into the unit itself. If I've got a particular front that's coming in that can affect the way this unit cooks, I can come all the way down the front with this. So
Sweet.
something that that Fire Magic has always done. They provided windbreaks, but afterthoughts. Hey, regardless of where I live, if I'm in the hills and West Coast, or if I'm in the hill country here, or we've got a front coming in here this next week, and if I'm baking pieces, this could really determine the outcome. And this little add-on engineering piece is something that Fire Magic adds, but their engineering team has a lot of forethought on how they build products. So backlit bezels to let you know where you're at night. You can see at night here. And then this is their Echelon series. It's got all polished appointments on here. If you know Fire Magic, you know. So.
And then it has a storage unit down below it as well.
Yes, that's a matching storage unit with the pizza oven that you see there. They have the big robust handles. We see a lot of these with. This is the most common drawer that we see mixed in with a lot of other companies that we sell. It has a water ledge here that keeps, drawers. We want to tell customers drawers are not sealed. The only sealed drawer is a warming drawer that has a seal on it because it has an electric element. But all of our drawers are not sealed. They're never sealed. But
challenge is the water.
it is.
Seeks path of least
It
resistance,
is.
and
It is. So this is a deterrent for water. This is a moisture fin. When the water hits this, it gets diverted. You'll also see that front panel plenum is really thick. And why is that? Because when I shut this drawer, it will recess and soft close, and it's less apt for moisture to get inside of the containment drawer.
Very nice.